Yo, me don't know, but me I tell you say, yo, the thing serious. When me tell you say the thing serious, it's serious. One thing me really glad for, One thing me really glad for. Me glad Jamaica don't really have most of the resources like what the United States or other country have. When me say resources, I mean places like range. You understand me? I say range is where you don't know, say a man can just book a day and go at the range. You understand me? I say you can just get up and go at the range every day once you have your range fee. Me glad Jamaica don't really run like that, because me I tell you say, yo, them youth here with their Jamaica, most of them youth here, them have them firearm, you understand me? I say, but them don't know how to use it. You understand me? I say, them don't know how to use it. Most of them gun bag here with their Jamaica appear wild shot them fire. Them only pint and squeeze. Them boy don't even know how to operate the front sight and the rear sight. Them boy don't know how to line up them target. Them boy only pint and shoot. These are the reasons why Officer Eamon pick on him team them. Them nah miss no boy. You understand me? I say, if they do miss a boy, is lucky the boy they lucky. I just feel him lucky there that. You understand me? I say, yo, me just want to big up the police officers them, the good police officers them, the hard working police officers them with this. I say, yo, whatever it takes, them a go out there and them a do the work to clean up Jamaica. You understand me? I say, one question with me will ask the youth them in a Jamaica, and not just Jamaica, in other parts of the world. My black brothers, youth, let me ask you something. Uno no love no life. This is the question I'm more asking. Uno don't love no life. Yo, me see the police them clap down 3 more dirty corner boy on the Linstead bypass today. And me I tell you, say, it grimy. The way the police deal with the youth, them it grimy. And me I tell you, say, yo, me was sitting right here, so. Even if me did a plan for bad, me change my mind. Me change my mind. If me did a plan for bad, me change my mind. Youth, you don't need to understand this. Because it seems to me as if someone don't have no understanding. You can't win. You not go win, youth. You better you put down your gun, stop the robbing, and stop the stealing, and stop the crime, youth, because you not go win the law. And that me make you know, you will never win the battle against the police force. You not go win, youth. Now, when you really sit down and look on the phone, because I know you not get them picture there, because nothing to hide. And when you look on the brethren, how the police them deal with the youth, them grimy, you still want bad after this youth? And this no one asks, you know. After you see how you brethren lay down on the ground like a dead dog, one head hooks out like a coconut, the other one all him eye shoot out them face, you still want bad youth? Youth, you not love yourself. Me ask you this youth, you not love yourself. Yo, me just can't believe this. Look how much youth. Look how much youth the police them kill this year. Eh? Most of them youth there, where the police them dirt this year, they could be among the living right now, but because of a dumb decision, what to make? How much more are we going to cut down by the hands of the police youth? And that more ask you know. Youth, I'm telling you this, man, you don't even stop the robbing. Stop the robbing. Stop the killing. Stop the looting, youth, because me I tell you no. And this you don't need to understand. No found who go pound a robbery. Somebody is aware. And people are tip the police them now. And that you know. The police them get information power now, because you still have good people in Jamaica. We're fed up and sick and tired. And want to see Jamaica clean up. You understand me I say? The people them who not go rob. You don't feel see a rob them did rob. Forget for them things. People work hard for them things, youth. So why you don't want to get them things easy? Eh? A easy life you don't love when you not go dead easy. Yo, one thing me I say still, you know. One thing me I say, and me want to say this, and who have ears to hear, let it hear. Me feel like say, every dirty corner boy will get dirt. Them family member will leave them, make junker eat them. You understand me I say? No dirty corner boy no forget no burial, no proper funeral. When the family member need to leave when they done a madden or over bright light. Make the government burn and want make junker. That should make junker eat you no man, because somehow not even if we go back to the earth. Me I tell you this. You see me I say? Look how much youths. Look how many youths of your own peers are among you who trod on the right way. Them trod the right path. Eh? Me want to when you sit down sometime and say to yourself, yo, why me I do this fuckery? And them youth, grew up together, go school together, used to play ball, marble, everything together. And them youth just walk the straight and narrow. Why me I feel bad? And that more I know if you don't sit down and ask yourself them question the youth. Why you know I feel bad when you don't see your friend them I be good? Hmm? Why? My black brothers them have to make some wrong decision and end up lose them 3 points before them even reach 25. Why? You want a full time for you to wake up and smell the coffee and realize that you can't win. You not gonna win you. You might get what today, you get what tomorrow. But guess what? You not gonna forever get away youth. And that you need to know. Nah go forever get away. You must get cut down. And that me I tell you now. And this is what you know for yourself. This is what you want for yourself. Don't know when you're gonna be departed from this beautiful world. Yes, youth and youth. Me know the life hard, youth. Life hard, life rough, life tough. But there's a lot of things out there that is legal when you can go do. Fight the struggle and make your life better other than crime and violence, youth. Enough of you youth who done their bust gunshot and murder people and rob people. Some of them are some bright individual, you know. Someone who come from some good home in a star. And it hurt me, you know, to see what really are going on in Jamaica. You understand me? I say, me not care about other country. Me a Jamaica. I'm a Jamaican, so Jamaicans me a talk about right now. It hurt me to see what go on in Jamaica. The whole of the youth them done their dead off. You understand me I say? The one them when are dead off. Them a fish out. You understand me I say? Then when I come talk about the birth rate low in Jamaica. Oh baby for born in Jamaica when the whole of the man them done their turn batty boy. Oh birth, yeah, I want to know man. Eh? The man them down there fish out and the girl them down there les out. You understand me I say? Yo, me I tell you, Jamaica you wake up in a man. You wake up because me I tell you this in a star. If you don't wake up, Father God I go drop a thunderball down the power no bumbo, you see? I just can't fathom how these youth just get up every day with the one mindset is to go rob and kill. One mindset. Me just can't wrap my head around this bumbo clot. No matter how life rough, no, all when you not have money in your pocket, all when you not have food to eat, you're still glad for know say yo, you're alive. Because once there's life, there is hope. And that me want to know youth. Once there's life, there's hope. When you're dead, there's no hope anymore. You understand me I say? Sometimes you have to wonder if some of the youth, if you don't have families. As a matter of fact, I not even have to wonder. And enough of you have no youth. Enough of the youth is a father. Is a son. Is a boyfriend. You don't have loved ones, people who love and care for you. We don't know say fuck around the road do until them ears so cut down by Officer Eamon Pick and him team them. Them soon upon news. Now when dead and gone left on kids them. Una loved ones them to the mercy of the world. Youth, how would the blood clot this? Sometimes you have to wonder if you don't really think, if you don't really sit down and ask yourself, is this what I really want for my child? Is this what I really want for myself? Youth, you need to start pre-think before you act, youth. Youth, if you don't have nothing to do with a weapon, youth, you go find a pit and throw it in it. You understand me? I say, and see if your life do better off. You know how much youth me know in a Jamaica, youth where me watch them grow up. You understand me? I say, dead before them even reach 20. Dead. And them the sick and dead. Bullet reach them because them are robbers and thieves. It hurt. It really hurt. Me I tell you, say it really hurt. You understand me? I say it hurt. Youth, you don't need to put on the gun, youth. Stop the crime and violence, because me I tell you one more time, you not go win the police them, because number one, you don't know how to shoot. And me glad. You understand me? I say, because it hurt me when me hear say a police all get gunshot from a dirty corner boy. So me glad no found you don't know how to shoot. You understand me? I say, if you continue to challenge the police, little later we not gonna have no young man in a Jamaica. Not one young man in a Jamaica. Apart from the one and few who decide that they're gonna tread the right path. Youth and youth, a full time now for the preserve your life. Stop the crime and violence. Be wise, youth. Think about your family. When you know don't fuckery. You understand me? I say? And me I gonna say this one last time. If you don't want here, when you go out there and meet your demise, your family member need to leave you than a madden. You understand me? I say? And the government need to just bring some of dump on man, make junk eat you. You understand me? I say? You need to learn. Don't challenge the law, youth. You not go win. And that me I say. Alright.